Okay, so we're back. We have this now. Let's preview it. That's what this button is. Things automatically get saved. You can preview, and then at the very end, you publish. So I'm going to hit the preview button, and it'll show me what this looks like. Down here, I can see what it looks like on a tablet, and here's what it looks like on a phone. So I'm going to bring this back to large screen. I'm going to exit preview, and I return to the workspace. The next thing we are going to do is to add content here. I suggest using these layouts, and then there's individual content you can add. Now check this out. This is a huge benefit. Two things. Google Sites is really, really easy to do. They solve a lot of problems. You get a domain name through them. It's easy to produce content. And then over here, it's easy to integrate YouTube, Google Calendar, Google Maps. If you have a Google Doc, a Google Slide, a Google Sheets, which is like an Excel spreadsheet, a form, or a chart, this is amazing. Image carousel, table of contents. It's really impressive. So what I'm going to start by doing is I'll take this layout, I'm going to drag it here. This is where I can embed content, and here's where I can put text. So I'm going to click here, and let's start with a video. Videos are super important. So Google owns YouTube, so here's benefits of walking your dog. Okay. I'm going to go for this one. Now there's a couple things. This information is important. It's 9 minutes. It's relatively recent. This is older, but it's 2 minutes. I can tell you no one wants to sit through a 9-minute video, especially on the front page of your website. So you want to go towards shorter. Okay, so I'm going to go for this one. Boom, there it is. And then I'm going to say, okay. And then down here, I'm going to put some information about, I'll say, okay, it's very basic, but I'll start with that. Notice this is basic formatting. So I could, we love dogs. I could select that and italicize it. You can create links. I don't want to link to anything here, but it's good to know. I'll do something here. Here are 3 top benefits to walking your dog every day. So I'm going to say health improves. Now here's where I'm going to click this button, numbered list. When I hit the enter or return button, it's going to automatically generate number 2. Health improves. Your dog is happier, and peace of mind for you. Okay. Finally, I'm going to give a background color to this section. I can delete this section, I can duplicate it, and I can give it a background. I'll go for that. Okay, all changes have been saved. I'm going to preview it, and this is what I get. See you in the next video.